Say, man, what's up with you? This your boy Georgia. Yeah, beautiful day, I said. Probably should be riding my bike now. But as you can see, we on the lift. Had a flat tire, so I thought I was gonna be able to ride it to the shop. So that was the plan this morning, but let me show you something. So yeah, just pay attention to the left side of the tire. Is you seeing it? You see that? Yeah, so I don't think that'll be a good idea. So now what we finna do, had to go get my big boy tools out my big truck. But we gonna take the tire and hopefully we can get to a shop and get a tire. At this nice tool set here, ain't worth a dime. Nah, just fucking with you. But I ain't got no tools in there that'll fit my axle. So I learned a trick. I'm gonna put a jack up on this tire, unloose the shocks, and drop the tire in. Everybody ain't gotta take my pipes out, but let's get to it, man. Okay, so I'm bolting the shock working so far, as you can see. I'm able to move that axle nut. See it go up. So I ain't gotta take my exhaust off, but quick note too, there's a little lip right here. So you put the mold that way you make sure that it's back where it need to be. So they keep this party rolling. Yeah, I'm paying no attention to the background, but you should be able to see a little bit better what we dealing with. I'm sorry for cussing, mom. But yeah, now that I know, I won't take that ride. But just think, I finna just jump on my bike and go to the Harley dealership for a tire. Now let's see which one of these gonna aggravate me tomorrow. I can't do no tire. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, we got the tire out. And just a quick side note, in the mail today, I just got some tire sense in light of what happened. I'd like to monitor. Let me see, can I get a picture of the front of the butt right quick? That's nice, but it said Moto Care. So I'll let you know how that work out for me, but yeah. He had to go get a tire. We have a spot that we really love to go swim. Yeah, so we up here. Where we at? Come. Gonna get some Five Guys. I got me some Jamaican food, so. But I still need a sandwich. Waiting on Harley to call to get my tire. Woo, Five Guys. You wanna say something? Woo. Okay, so we done made it back to the Harley dealership. They doing a little hog chapter, but anyway, made it back to the dealership. Got my tire, so gonna throw that on. Hoping we can catch a little wind with the rest of them. But yeah, we'll tap back in a minute. Yeah, we made it back to the house. So still got a little sunlight out here, but I don't know how to flip the camera. As you can see, got a brand new tire. That'll be a good time to clean it, but nobody see back tire no way, so finna find my axle grease the axle and throw this thing back on. And then we finna get in the wind. Catch you later. Whew, as you can tell, I'm all this sweat. It's tight kicking my head. Nah, I'm just playing, but got the tire on, man. So the little trick worked by just unloosing this so this can go up and down instead of taking your pipes out. But last thing we gotta do, well not later, cause I gotta put my brake back on. Definitely need brake, but yeah. Torque wrench, man. Between 60 and 70 pounds, whatever they call it. 60 and 70, I put it on 70. But yeah. We about to get out of here. Look at these two interrupting my video. No help. Supposed to be heavy. No help. Okay. When I say that dang tap whooped my ass, It whooped my ass, but as you can see, brand new tire, she on there. No bolt left on the ground. So, yeah. Think we good. Nothing leaking. Wolf in the ride, but my wife wanna go with me and she don't like no motor scooter, so we will be out in the morning, but I like my little jacket here. All the little states on being too. Yeah, you see it. Hold on. Georgia boy. But yeah, seeing GQ with here, kinda I liked it. I think I said it before, but I ain't want no vest, so got my Louisiana patch in my coat pocket, cause going there in May, Memorial Day weekend, by one ride. How that sensei, Ride Fit Nation, join the group or whatever you got to do, but let's get there. Anyway, man, see, it's still a beautiful day out. So dude, we finna slide in the old homemobile. Yeah, live like love, man. That's what you gotta do, man. If you need anything, Harley, inbox me. 23 right way, yeah. That's how we getting. Let's go.